Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 66 of Build the Legendary Cyborg ROBOCOP from our good old mates over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to grab this, build along with me. Follow this link here all the way to the Fanhome website, where you too can take out a subscription for this beautiful 1/3 scale ROBOCOP. Yes, folks. So let's have a quick scoop through the magazine and see what we got this week. This is the history of ROBOCOP, changing identities, new names for an old acquaintances, it says. Some data files there. Information on all the behind-the-scenes stuff of the films. So give them a good old read, folks. What have we got today? We've got the waste section, lumber connector, parts 1 and 2 that are going to be going in on here. So we're going to need robo legs, which are just to my left. So we'll be putting that in place, and they'll be joined together with a couple of EP screws in there, folks. Okay, so we'll start assembling the torso. I know, scary, isn't it, eh? And then we've got a little backing plate that will cover this section up, and that's what we're going to be left with sticking up. And we're getting ready, really, I suppose, for when we finalise the chest section and put the arms on, of clicking this all together. So, yeah, it's getting close, folks, isn't it? And that's where it's going to go on your ROBOCOP, just there. Next up, you've got the soft structured robots, the basically coverings for prosthetics and things like that. Data profiling. That's the scary part. All of this information they're keeping on everyone. It's a little bit worrying how much info is kept, if I'm honest. But then if you've got nothing to hide, you've got nothing to worry about, have you? This is all the big data farms. Some of these are submerged underwater now, and yeah, it's bizarre, isn't it? I suppose it's the coolest thing, isn't it? It's put me in the sea. Whole world of possibilities, it says there. There is, isn't there? So that's the magazine done, folks. So let's get our bits and bobs out, and we'll start putting this together on the waist section. So my first port of call, I'm going to grab these, and I'm going to put a bit of oil on one of them. Just be on the safe side, so I've got one ready. So let's do that. And then we'll bring in robo legs, which are just here. And this section is basically going in like so, okay? And we're putting screws just in here. So that's what we want. So we've got a couple of EP screws to go in. So let's put the first one in. Just like so. And then we'll grab our next screw. A little bit of oil. Just like that. Same again. Just in there. Here's what we want. Check the tightness. Make sure that's all lined up. Like that. And then we want then to put this backing plate on. There you go. And it's going that way round with these two at the top there, on these two posts. Just in there, like that. Again, we want a couple of EP screws. Let's grab one of them. Pop a bit of oil in there. and then screw that fully in. And then the same this side. And that is that already for the torso section, folks. So there you go, look at that. So that will then have this piece in a future issue, it will come in, and then it's going to drop right up in on them 4 posts, just like that. And then you'll be able to secure all of that in place. It's going to give you some idea then of how RoboCop is going to take shape, folks. So that's where we are for today. Don't forget, if you want to grab this for yourself, follow this link here all the way over to the Fanhome website. Take out a subscription for this beautiful 1/3 scale model. You will not be disappointed. Also, to help me out, you can just click the little festa and subscribe to my channel. I'll be massively appreciative. Ring the bell whilst you're there. That will give you notifications. Select all. In the meantime, thanks so much for coming in and keeping me company. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye.